So part of being a successful college student or having a successful time here at HAC is being aware of all of the college's policies and procedures and all of the resources that are available to help you. So I want to give you a brief overview of some of the things that you can find on the HAC website. So if you go to the HAC website, which is again www.hac.edu, you will show up on this page here. And most of the things that you are going to need, like I showed you before, if you want to go to D2L or your email, you go to this My HAC button here. But most of the things that you'll need, you'll find under Current Students. So what I want to have you do, after I show you a few of these things, I'm going to give you an assignment, and I'm going to ask you to locate some of the specific policies and procedures that HAC has set up in terms of attendance and grading and financial aid, all of the things that you're probably going to need to know throughout your time here. So most of the policies that will be related to you and that you need to know, you'll find here under Current Students, and you'll see here is advising and counseling. You can find career services, the college calendar. You can find information about graduation, disability services if you have a disability. The library is over here. We also offer tutoring if you need help with that. And tech support is also an important one that you should probably know where to find that. And you can find a lot of resources also in my syllabus if you look under Where Can I Go for Help. But specifically, I just wanted to show you how to find this information on the website so that you can complete our little assignment that I have for you. So a lot of things you can find here. If there's something specific you're looking for, in the assignment I'll give you some hints as to where to find things, and a lot of times you can just click on this little box and type in a keyword. I'm not going to do that right now. And then in addition to the website, I'm going to ask you to look at the college catalog. So where you go to find that is you click here under Programs and Courses, and you can just go right here to the course catalog, and you will want to click on this one, 2018-2019. So you'll be able to find the answer to some of your questions there. I also wanted to show you just really quickly, if you're looking at how to make your schedule, you can go here to Class Schedules. And when it is time to register and you want to see what's out there, you can click on this button, and this is where you'll go to search for your classes. So you just click a semester. It's still summer right now, so there are I can't show you the classes for spring yet because those are not up, but I'll show you just the catalog so you can search by campus. If you want to take classes online, you can search through virtual or whatever campus you're on. You can search by subject. So you can get very specific to find exactly what you're looking for. If you know exactly the classes you want to take, you can search by course number. And then once you input this information, you click search, it will show you what's available and how many seats are available. And from there, you should be able to register. So I just wanted to show you that quickly so you knew that your advisors do also know how to do that and can help you with that if you need help registering for classes. So that is just a brief overview of our website and where you find some of our policies and procedures. So for this assignment, I'm going to give you a little worksheet, and it does have some hints on where you find the answers to these questions, but I'm going to ask you to look up some of our policies and procedures so that you're familiar with them and you're not surprised when you encounter some of them. So again, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I will be happy to help.